Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome. My name is Sydney and I put out videos about once a week. Honestly, I debated filming this one because these shoes aren't new or anything, but I figured I'd still talk about them. So if you like videos about shoes, which you probably do if you are watching this video, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on future videos. So today we have an unboxing. Surprise, surprise. It's always an unboxing because I spend way too much money. But this one's very exciting. And like I said, it's not a new shoe or anything. It's a new shoe to my collection now. So basically, like if I know I'm gonna spend a lot of money on something, like I do this with handbags, I talk a lot about it, I think a lot about it until I either get it or don't get it, because I'll either realize I really, really want it, or I'll realize I'm kind of over it. I'm glad I didn't buy it. And that's usually if I'm like kind of on the fence about something. However, there are times where there is something that I want to purchase that I'm very confident in. It's always in the back of my mind, okay? Like I'm looking at shoes and I'm like, oh, I like this one, I want it. But in the back of my mind, I'm like, oh, I want that other one that I can't stop thinking about more. Does that make sense? Does anyone else get like that? That's how it was with these shoes. That's the point of that story. And part of me is like, I don't know if I want to get these shoes because they're kind of basic. Like a lot of people have them. This box is the Air Jordan 1 box. I got these from StockX. I actually started lacing them, so you'll probably notice that one's laced and one isn't. Yes, these are Obsidians, the UNC colors. So I got these from StockX, and the price on these, at least in smaller sizes, like sizes that girls are wearing, are pretty high, like the prices. The men's, like the bigger sizes, not really. So my size was pretty expensive. I was always like, should I do it? Should I do it? Should I do it? I told myself if I could get them for under $500, I would. So that's what I did. They were still like a decent amount of money. However, like I saw my size selling for over $700 a few days after I got mine, and I paid $460. So I put in a bid. It was the highest bid on StockX for maybe like a day or two. I didn't even know if anyone was going to accept it, to be honest, because I feel like the lowest ask was like $560. So like my bid was pretty low compared to the asks. But I mean, a lot of the time someone will just sweep in and accept like whatever's the highest. So don't let that like stop you from thinking you might get them, because that's how I got these. And I mean, even if it doesn't happen right away, there's a good chance. I'm so excited. Like I literally like love this shoe. I literally cannot wait to wear it. So when I'm buying shoes for resale, I kind of give myself like a benchmark, and I'll say, for this shoe, I'm not willing to pay more than this amount. So I put in bids, and I think they were all the highest bids, and they were all under my benchmark for 4 different shoes. And if people started like bidding against me and like rising the price up, once it got to a certain point, I was like, I'm out. So I got these because, like I said, under 500, that was my benchmark for this shoe. I also had bids on Syracuse Dunks. I think for those, I told myself I wasn't going to go over 400. Like the highest bid was pretty low, but the highest ask was very high. I also have bids on Court Purples. I think that's the next shoe I want to buy, to be honest. But I think my bid was like 303, and I told myself I wasn't going to go over like 310. I had the highest bid, it just, these got accepted first. I had the highest bids on GOAT and StockX, I think, for the UNC Jordan 1 lows, which is funny because I almost bought them a few months ago and they were literally $100, and now they're selling for a lot more. So yeah, that's kind of just how I like buy shoes, in case you were wondering. But as you can see, it also comes with these like Carolina blue laces, but I think I'm gonna just keep the navy. I think I like the navy more, and then it has a little StockX thing. So yeah, I mean, not a whole lot to say honestly about like the look of the shoe or anything, because I feel like you've probably seen it. But I did just want to get on here and show it because I was like so excited for these. Like I kind of have a lot of shoes coming and going, to be honest, but these I was like so excited when I knew they were gonna get delivered. I was like, oh my god, where are they? I want them. I can't wait to like wear them. I just got a 7.5. It's men's sizes. I'm typically a women's size 9, and like men's sizes are a size and a half smaller than women's sizes. So true to size, true to size. Also, please let me know which Jordans I should get next. I debated doing this video because it's not a new shoe or anything, but I was so excited. But also, even though it's not a new shoe right now, it's very popular right now. So like I found myself looking at videos about the shoe before getting it, and like I said, they're not really anything new, so I was like, why not? I'll do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you love the Obsidians as much as I do, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, be sure to click the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on future videos. Bye, guys.